Welcome. If you're looking to quickly react to a message from a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through each step so you can express yourself instantly in your conversations. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, look at the left side of your screen and click on the messages icon. This will open up your direct message history, where you'll see all your ongoing chats and conversations. Next, select the chat where you want to react to a specific message. Scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you want to respond to. Here's where the new update makes things even easier. Simply hover your mouse over the message you want to react to. As you do this, a set of reaction emojis will appear right above or beside the message, depending on your screen layout. Now, take a moment to choose the emoji that best fits your reaction. Whether it's a thumbs up, a heart, a laugh, or any other available emoji, just click on your choice. Your reaction will instantly appear on the message, letting the other person know exactly how you feel. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, reacting to messages on X from your PC is now faster and more interactive than ever before. This feature helps keep your conversations lively and lets you engage with friends, colleagues, or followers in a more expressive way. Try it out the next time you get a message and see how easy it is to add a personal touch to your chats. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy making your conversations on X even more dynamic.